Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate 99 nights in the forest, a deer, and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the deer looks like and I'm going to show you how you can create this one. Alright, first of all guys, you can color your model brown. Change the skin tone to brown and then you're going to put on all these items. This one from the cutest item and you're going to color this brown color for all the selection. And then this skirt, you're going to choose top only and make it the same color. And this jeans, make it this color. And you're going to change the material to leather. And then this item, make it the same color. And for the texture, make it leather. This is from the VIP room. But if you don't have VIP, you can use this jeans only. And this food, you're going to make it this color. Okay, this is from the pedal update. And the next one guys, you're going to put on the fur hat. You can go to this area and put on this fur hat and then you're going to make it this brown color. Okay, and then you're going to do adjustment. You can copy this adjustment, position, rotate, and then scale. And you're going to put on this hat. And for the color, just leave it like that. And then you're going to do adjustment. This is the adjustment you can follow. Position, rotate, and then scale. And I'm going to put on this earring. This one. And then we're going to make it black to create the nose. And again, you're going to do adjustment. You can position it like this. Rotate and then scale. And the next one, I'm going to put on this ear and we're going to make it bigger. So we're going to scale it. And for the color, I'm going to make it this color for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then we're going to create the eyes. You're going to put on this earmark and this one as well, and then I'm going to show you the adjustment. For this item, you're going to adjust it like this guys. For this one, make it like this, position, rotate, and then scale. And then for this one, the black one, you're going to make it like this, position, rotate, and scale. And it's time to create the mouth. We can put on this eye mask, and then we're going to color it brown for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm going to make it this color, this one. Okay, and then do adjustment. This is the adjustment for the eye mask, position, rotate, and then scale. And then the last one, you're going to go to the VIP room and then you're going to put on this item. And then I'm going to color it brown, okay, for all the selections. And then you're going to do adjustment as well. I'm going to make it bigger, like this. And for the position, I'm going to make it like this. Okay, done. And this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create 99 nights in the forest deer. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.